Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says, in which of the following reactions, चार reactions दिए गए हैं, they are A, B, C and D. Standard reaction entropy change, that is delta S naught, is positive, and standard Gibbs free energy change, that is delta G naught, decrease sharply with increase in temperature. सो टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज जैसे होता है वैसे डेल्टा जी नॉट डिक्रीज होना है एंड डेल्टा एस नॉट का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होना है. ऐसा कौन सा रिएक्शन है? सो वी हैव 4 reactions A, B, C and D where reaction A is half mole of carbon from the graphite reacts with half mole of oxygen to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide. B is 1 mole of carbon from the graphite reacts with half mole of oxygen to form carbon monoxide gas, 1 mole of carbon monoxide gas. Reaction C is carbon monoxide gas reacts with half moles of oxygen to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide. And the last reaction, that is reaction D, is magnesium reacts with half mole of oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So let's first understand the key concept involved in this question. So जो key concept involved हुआ है, it is first we have to know the relationship between delta G naught, that is standard Gibbs free energy change, delta S naught and temperature. So these three are related by an equation called Gibbs free energy equation. Gibbs free energy equation. Delta G naught is equal to delta H naught minus T delta S naught. So naught we are writing for standard conditions. So delta G naught is standard Gibbs free energy change, delta H naught is standard enthalpy change, T is temperature in Kelvin and delta S naught is standard entropy change. So here delta to make delta G decrease sharply with temperature. So that is written in the question only. So decrease sharply with increasing temperature. For that we should make sure that delta S naught जो है it should be positive. So if this is positive, what will happen is this value, that is minus T delta S naught जो है, that will be negative. So it will be more negative if delta S naught is positive. So ये more negative हो जाएगा as temperature increases. So we'll understand how to identify that delta G naught जो है वो positive value है कि नहीं. So for the reaction that result in increase in disorder. So कोई भी reaction में reaction must result in an increase in disorder. So disorder in the sense entropy only. So increase. So this disorder increase कब होगा? जब number of gaseous molecules ज़्यादा होंगे. Number of gas molecules are more. Only then the disorder increases. So now we'll examine each reaction and try to understand किसमें delta S not positive है. So the first reaction is half mole of carbon, that is from the graphite, reacts with half mole of oxygen which is in gaseous form, to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide gaseous. So यहाँ पे reactant side में कितने moles of gaseous gas है? Only half mole. So carbon graphite जो है that is not gas. So here we have half mole of gas. वहीं प्रोडक्ट की अगर बात करें तो in product side we have 1 mole of gas, that is carbon dioxide. So half से 1 में change हो रहा है. So in the reactant side it was previously half, in product it is 1. So you can clearly say that delta S naught क्या यहाँ पे positive value है, because the number of gaseous molecules are increasing in this reaction. So we'll move on to the next reaction, that is reaction B. B में क्या हो रहा है? Carbon, 1 mole of carbon from graphite reacting with half mole of oxygen in gaseous form to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide in gaseous form. So यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग reactant sides के number of gaseous molecules को calculate करें तो it will be half mole of gas. So यहाँ पे half mole है, that is from oxygen. अगर हम लोग product side calculate करें, so in product side we have 1 mole of gas. So in reaction, during the reaction, half mole of gas is converted into 1 mole. Therefore, there is increase in gaseous molecule. Therefore, we can clearly say that delta S naught क्या है? It's a positive value, जो कि हमें necessary condition था. Next, we'll move on to the next reaction, that is reaction C. It says carbon monoxide, 1 mole of carbon monoxide in gaseous form reacts with half mole of oxygen in gaseous form to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide in gaseous form. अगर यहाँ पे हम लोग reactant side और product side के gaseous mole को calculate करें तो it will be in reactant side 1 plus half is 1.5, that is 1.5 moles of gas reactant side है. अगर product side की बात करें तो in product side we have only 1 mole of gas. So if we see 1.5 से 1, that is decrease in the gaseous molecule. Therefore delta S naught जो है it is negative here because the value of gaseous molecules are decreasing. So if we see the last reaction, that is reaction D. Here magnesium in solid form reacts with half moles of oxygen in gaseous form to form magnesium oxide in solid form. So here if we calculate the number of gaseous molecules on reactant side, it will be half moles of gas. अगर वही हम product side की बात करें तो there are no gaseous molecule, therefore 0 moles. So 0 moles of gas. So half से 0 decrease हो रहा है. Half is more, 0 is less. Half से decrease हो रहा है. So here also the delta S naught is a negative value. So यहाँ पे भी delta S naught negative value. So C and D will not be a correct option. So we are left with 2, that is option A and option B in both the cases. That is reaction A and reaction B में क्या हो रहा है? delta S naught जो है positive value है. But we have to see which is more positive here. So reaction A is more positive because formation of carbon dioxide gas from graphite carbon and O2 involves and oxygen gas. This involves significant increase in the disorder. So यहाँ पे जो disorder है that is delta S naught जो है it is more positive here. Therefore, the correct option is reaction A. So based on this, we can clearly say that reaction A is the correct answer for this question. Hope you all have understood. All the best.